हाँ सेकंड वाला सर.
Yeah. So this is the thing, and for that, if you want, I need to take a class. I need to go change the setting and all those things. So see, our we need to take means return, which is our benchmark index. Our benchmark index is what? Nifty.
यस सर,
Yes, sir.
निफ्टी
We
डालना है उधर.
हाँ उधर अपने
बट
को चेक करना है, अपने को चेक
सर
करना
ये
है.
अभी इसमें कैसे चेक करना सर, मतलब स्टॉक्स कैसे अभी स्कैन करना सर इसके
जैसे ये
लिए?
RS है ना, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. मैं आपको जैसे यहाँ पे ना SPX है,
हम्म.
अपने को यहाँ पे निफ्टी डालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, इंडेक्स. ठीक है, ये आ गया अपना निफ्टी का. ये अब ये जो पीरियड है ना, दैट इज द मेन थिंग. अब ये कैसे करना है, फॉर एवरी पीपल इट्स डिफरेंट, फॉर मी इट्स डिफरेंट. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल चेक a daily chart. I'll check where the market got consolidated for a month or for a week. For example, market got consolidated in this range for a month. If you see, it's almost 30 candles. So
Yes, sir.
and it got broke. Okay, this is a Deepak Fertilizer. Take an example. So I'll take this date, 31st December, as a setting here. I'll remove Saturday, Sunday because we'll not trade on Saturday, Sunday, and I'll calculate the days and I'll put it here. And then, say for example, it is 123. So I'll took that as a go, and whenever it went above, any stock went above, I'm just giving a overview. I'm not telling that it's a pure thing. So whenever stock crossing daily chart cross says above zero and giving a breakout of a range. For example, if you see this stock was trading in this range, giving a breakout above this, and this relative strength is going up, means it's giving more return than Nifty. So we'll take a position here, and our stop loss will be below this line, this purple line, and we'll hold this stop until our either uh, this will go below zero or this will go below our stop loss.
Okay.
So
Sir,
I just given a overview. I have not given a exact thing.
So this thing you are doing it specifically for one particular stock?
No, you can ask any stock. I'll tell you.
No, I'm asking if I want to check this kind of a thing in a scanner. So is it even possible for me to scan and find out all these stocks, whichever is?
There is one guy. There is one person. I mean, not stockage, right? In stockage, you can
Yes, sir.
get a relative strength stocks,
Acha.
but you have to then check according to your logic. You
Okay,
will
okay,
get a
sir.
stocks which are giving a return more than a Nifty, but
Uh,
you need to check according to your logic, whatever you follow.
okay, sir.
In scanner means there is one site called screener.in. In there also
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can give
So
whatever.
there we can find out this relative strength
Yeah,
screener
yeah,
also,
you
sir.
can, you can.
Okay, okay. Then great, sir. Then we can do it. No problem,
Yeah,
sir.
you can.
Okay, sir.
सर ये इंडिकेटर आपने बताया, फिर से रिपीट कीजिए. रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ क्या है सर, कैसे फाइंड करूं मैं?
Indicator.
Go to
Yes.
the indicator in trading view
Okay.
and type relative. But I don't think for this, when I'll give a proper session on this, then I'll tell you to do this. But otherwise you'll get confused to what to put into that interval also. I just put it according to me. I put it according to this share itself.
Okay.
So, so for that, if you want, I'll take a session for this.
सर
So
हाउ अबाउट इंडिया मार्ट सर? इंडिया मार्ट लास्ट ईयर उसने इतनी लंबी रैली
India
दी.
Mart, I think 4950 was the level. It broke that level. So I think it can come to 2500 if market
अच्छा.
consolidate or market corrects a bit, or otherwise 4950 should it was a good support. India Mart.
अच्छा. So,
Uh,
what was the reason behind its rally, sir? How do we, matlab, can we also catch such
that's a
rallies?
yeah, you can catch. You can catch. See, I'll tell you. This is a India Mart chart, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, Mostly I check weekly chart. Okay,
हाँ sir.
this is a weekly chart for India Mart.
okay.
Uh, if I was at that time and if I see this level to be break, right, broke 27 what is the level, 2750. It was in the range of this from 1200 to 2700 from for quite some time. It broke that level because that broke level means whatever the supply is there was absorbed by a demand.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, it got broke that level. It went up above this, it sustained there, above गया उसके ऊपर. Again, what ये जो red candle है, these are the weak players, they sold. It didn't break that level. Until it didn't break that level, we should be into that position. It went up, it went up. See, this all things I didn't draw. This is all the old levels, whatever drawn by, this is a Vinith system, so Vinith is already drawn those things. So this is a level it has broken. If you see a weekly chart, this is a weekly chart only.
Sir, actually, I know a person
Huh?
who had who had told me that on 25th of August itself, he told me that India Mart will become 5 digits, and sharply on the last day when
Uh-huh.
it was 9,600, he told me to exit.
Okay, that's great. That's
Is it
great.
even possible, sir?
This is a level I cannot predict it will go to 10,000 or what. I cannot predict, but I can, with this chart, I can see that I can hold my position until, see, it went up,
Yes, sir.
up till
Yes.
here. I don't have any levels to exit. I'll hold.
Acha. Yes,
After
sir.
that, it started correcting. See, it started correcting,
Mm-hmm.
correcting, correcting, correcting. So it has made a base here.
Yes,
This
sir.
level 4497. So this is the level. If I am taking this position, it's going up, up, up. After that, when it will break this level 4497 or 45, whatever 4497, I'll going to exit. Otherwise, I'll hold. So this pattern is called as pole and flag pattern.
Oh,
Okay, it has given up. This is a flag.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is a wait a
oh,
minute.
cool. Yes, sir.
This is a pole. So this is a pole flag pattern. It is given a breakout, so it will go up definitely. So, main thing when you should exit this stock.
Yes, sir.
If I will be holding this stock. I'll not be exit at this level. I'll not be exited. But this candle is the candle where I should have to exit anyhow, because I cannot. I don't know whether it will go to 20,000
So
or
now
30,000.
when you have told me, I mean, when you have told us that this is a flag and a pole pattern,
Hmm.
then flag and a pole pattern always have this measurement also, no sir? यहाँ से अगर इतना
See,
है तो
and
फिर उतना जाएगा
that
करके.
is a kind of assumption कि
अच्छा,
for
assumption है
example,
क्या वो?
assumption कि यहाँ से to 2040 and it is 540 5470. So
इसी को
almost,
कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं ना सर? आप दिखे ना एक बार, अगर पता चले तो। आपने बहुत सही बोला आज इसी के लिए।
हाँ तो देखो ये 24 अराउंड, दिस इज अ लेवल ऑफ 2040 and
हाँ
this
सर।
is a 5497 or around. So if you calculate, it will come around 3400 something.
जी सर।
ठीक है, तो if you add
हाँ सर।
3400 from here, from
यस सर।
what is the level? 5500. If you add 3400, what is the level you'll get?
ऑलमोस्ट 8000 9000 सर।
नहीं नहीं, कितना हो गया? 3400 3 8, ऑलमोस्ट 9000.
हाँ सर।
ठीक है, सो
हाँ सर।
इट वेंट टू ऑलमोस्ट 9900. नो वन
जी
लाइक.
सर।
ठीक है, सो whatever this is also a assumption, means ऐसा होता है, whatever we'll see in our previous history and previous charts, according
जी
to
सर।
that only we'll tell this, this can be happen.
ओके ओके ओके।
हाँ तो, but if you want you can exit at 9000 or whatever you
यस सर।
price you're getting. Otherwise, a basic chart pattern, basic price action, we should be not holding this stock below this 7600.
अच्छा।
इसके अगर ये बाद भी अगर आप होल्ड कर रहे हैं तो इट्स योर फॉल्ट.
सही है सर। सर तो फिर ये इतना गिर रहा है सर, फिर मतलब ही नहीं है ना सर ऐसे स्टॉक में, मतलब इन्वेस्टिंग के हिसाब से?
Investing, see, small cap, mid cap will behave like this. When bull market will come, it will go like this. And when, that's why if you
जी
heard that most of the people telling go to a blue chip share and invest there, there will be
जी
not
जी
much
जी
risk.
सर।
Yeah, but if you want to make money, you should be into a small cap or mid cap. Then only you will make a money. So what you need to do before that? Take
हेलो।
टेक मीन्स जब भी आपको प्रॉफिट बुकिंग का मौका मिले, यू शुड
हाँ
बुक अ
सर। हाँ
प्रॉफिट.
सर।
Otherwise,
आपकी आवाज
if
कट
you're
रही है
holding
सर
a
शायद।
company and you are thinking in next 10 year it will become a Infosys or it will become a HDFC Bank or anything,
जी सर।
it's not
Okay.
that easy to. So we should be booking a profit.
यस सर।
ठीक है, so now we already at 850. So we'll take a individual stock chart and we'll answer. Or any question अभी तक किसी को anything, then you can ask. Otherwise, specific chart you can ask. Any company will ask, we'll discuss here.
सर अगर कोई नहीं बोल रहा है तो आई विल टेल।
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
अतुल लिमिटेड सर।
अतुल लिमिटेड, इसका चार्ट एक
जी
टाइम पे अच्छा हुआ था, लेकिन अगेन इट विल गो डाउन.
हाँ सर। ये शेयर मेरे पास 80 रुपीज से है सर।
अतुल लिमिटेड, ओके,
हाँ
लिमिटेड
सर।
ना.
जी जी जी।
हाँ, देन यू शुड नॉट इट बी इनटू एनी वरी. चुपचाप होल्ड
अच्छा, नो
कीजिए.
नीड टू वरी सर। दिस
नो
हैज मेड अ डबल टॉप नो सर?
डबल टॉप है, बट ब्रेकडाउन
हाँ।
नहीं मिला इधर. ये डबल टॉप का जो
अच्छा।
ब्रेकडाउन है ना,
अच्छा
आपको स्टॉप लॉस रखना होगा ये लेवल का 8270.
सर,
अगर आपके पास 80
सही
रुपी
में
पे
बोलता हूँ मैंने बेच दिया सर।
बेच दिए, देन फाइन, देन नो
नहीं,
नीड टू
मैंने
वरी.
वॉर के चक्कर में बहुत लोगों को पूछा, फिर मेरा बहुत ये हो गया था, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा
हाँ
था।
तो देन फाइन. इफ यू बॉट एट 80 rupees and you're selling
नहीं।
at
हाँ
8000, then you are getting
हाँ
1000% return, that's fine.
10,000% सर।
हाँ तो then it's fine ना. Why
यस
should
सर।
be worry about it? Fine. See,
जी सर।
this
जी
is a
सर।
clearly double top pattern. You found it very well.
एग्जैक्ट।
It's a double
यस
top
सर। यस।
pattern, but हाँ, इसका ब्रेकडाउन होगा इसके नीचे. अगर इसके नीचे गया तो डेफिनेटली इट विल कम डाउन टू 6000 7000 और मे बी बिलो दैट.
अच्छा सर, एक्चुअली ये डबल टॉप बनाने के बाद ये
हाँ.
68 से फिबोनाची लगा के अगर करेंगे तो 68 तक आएगा ना सर? उसके बाद ही वो नीचे गिरेगा ना सर?
ये जो लेवल है ना, ये ऑलमोस्ट समझो फिबोनाची ही है.
हाँ नहीं, हाँ अच्छा अच्छा ओके।
ठीक
नहीं,
है.
मैं इसमें करके रखा था एक्चुअली मेरे सिस्टम में, तो वो उधर जाके आ चुका है ऑलरेडी 68 से नीचे, 68 को टच करके नीचे भी
कहाँ
आ
कहाँ
गया है।
68? ये तो मेरे को लग रहा है 82 8300 के ऊपर ही है अभी तो.
हाँ नहीं, तो नीचे नहीं जा रहा आपके हिसाब
हाँ,
से मतलब?
नीचे नहीं जा रहा है. अगर ये लेवल ब्रेक हुआ ना 8300 का.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। अरे एक्चुअली मेरे पास KRBL भी था।